This is one of those rare moments where we're inside of the house, going up the stairs. Feels like a long time since we've been to the zombie shelter. And for the new subscribers, well, really for everybody, we'll do a review of the zombie shelter. Get the flashlight on. Flashlight's on. And we've got to pick door A or door B. Door A. Ordinary set of lockers. Not ordinary. Let me go in and get the light on for you. Hang on. This is the inside, and there's not really much to see right now. It's been cleaned out. The kids playing here. I'll leave you a link to the original video. It would make a super great place to sleep. Say if you work night shift, get yourself up in here, get you the fan running. So this is the lighting system. A lamp screwed to the wall. Air vent, a four-way receptacle, and if you see the two socks and that come out of a bird cage, they get in here to hold the birds. If the birds get away, it's easy to get them back. Closed in. It's like a human-sized bird cage. And if you were to put a lock on the locker so nobody could get in, there's a nail up here. You can let yourself out even if it's locked from the outside. You know, in case the bad guys show up. Still upstairs and behind this door, there's a bedroom. I'll leave you a link. And in this shelf, at the very bottom, you can see there's a door. That's also a secret room. And if you're wondering about the other lockers, nope, just a locker. Shoes. Just a locker. Oh, the bird holders. We gotta go in with the bird holders. And this is a lovebird. It's not terribly sweet, but they're working on it. The more you handle it. And this blue one, it is super sweet. This has turned into a bird video. It started as a zombie shelter video, now it's a bird video. And then the lamp comes in handy for a bird perch. And this is my favorite part when it lays upside down. Just lays there relaxing. Here, you want to get it?
Sure.
The bird has gone to bed. I guess it's the end of the video. Night night.